Welcome back. Today I'm walking you through a brand new federal resume example. This time a civilian who's applying for a human resources specialist position. And there's plenty of them. Go check it out on USAJOBS.gov. This one's with Custom Borders Protection. This resume follows OPM's two-page expectation, meaning every word must provide a value. And this example shows exactly how someone with a mixed background, 5 years in human resources and several years self-employed in real estate agent and a notary, how they can translate their experience into a clean, competitive federal resume, just like you can. Let's begin with the summary. Immediately, it signals HR documentation and client skills. We're going to start by highlighting your position and documentation experience, intake and fact finding, HR operations, notary attention to detail, and workforce support. This is what the HR classification series requires. When it comes to competencies, we're going to mirror the job announcement. We didn't guess what they wanted. We used the job's requirements, and those are the ability to do job evaluation, documentation writing, analytical review, client communication, HR processes. The resume speaks the same language as the vacancy announcement. And let me tell you, HR notices that. The HR experiences focuses on classification with adjacent tasks. Even though this particular sample wasn't a classifier, she did in fact gather information, conduct intake, document duties, prepare draft position and descriptions. She tracked and organized changes. Those are transferable skills and aligned directly with GS 11 and 12 HR specialist work. Now, her real estate and her notary experience, those strengthen her case, her resume. People, don't underestimate these fields, but the federal government values client counseling, document accuracy, legal compliance, multi-party coordination, teamwork, written agreements, and identifying verification all supports HR classification functions. The resume that we've created, this two-page resume, it hits all OPM expectations. It's not long, it's not repeating tasks, there's not a bunch of clutter, no wasted bullets, just clear value, written the way federal HR wants to see it today. We're not working on last year's resume. We're working on today's resume, the new OPM two-page format. And if you have a resume you'd like to see me build as a sample, drop it in the comments, but not before you hit like and save. You want to be notified when I put it up, don't you? Well, I want to let you know. See you in the comments where I have a copy of this resume for you.